So this is about the higher 3 horsepower DC inverter. And how to reuse the remote control. So display's off. Let's give it a 1 second push. Okay, great, it came right on. It's good if you hold it down 1 second, works that's a bit better. So it starts out blowing at the normal power, fan speed. Okay, I've got the little wings set to the left. So here we can, I'm going to go through the most important remote control functions. Here we can set it, this is turbo. And the quiet. Alright, so this actually says turbo and quiet, but it's got 3 settings. It's got the normal one, starts. Then if you push it, you get turbo,